That's not a fantasy, that's YouTube automation. This is one of the fastest growing ways to create passive income in 2025, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build your own automation channel from scratch. By the end, you'll know how to pick a profitable niche, use AI tools to generate videos, monetize your channel, and scale it into a real business. If you're ready to make money while you sleep, hit that like button and let's dive in. Section 1. What is YouTube automation? So, what exactly is YouTube automation? Put simply, it's a system that lets you create and upload videos without ever showing your face or recording your own voice. You're building a faceless brand that earns income through YouTube views, ads, and affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. 1. You choose a niche, for example, personal finance, tech news, motivation, or luxury lifestyle. 2. You create videos using AI tools that handle writing, voiceovers, and visuals. 3. You upload consistently and let the YouTube algorithm do its thing. With automation, you focus on strategy, not production. AI does the heavy lifting, you manage the system. Think of it like running a digital media company, but with AI as your team. Let's look at what makes automation channels so powerful. No camera required. You can stay completely anonymous. Low startup cost. Most tools have free or affordable plans. Scalable. Once one channel works, you can easily duplicate the process in other niches. Evergreen income. Your videos keep earning ad revenue long after you upload them. Automation channels are popular in niches like finance and investing, motivation and success, AI and tech, health and productivity, facts, mysteries, or top 10 inches content. If you've seen videos like 10 Habits of Millionaires or AI tools that will change your life, that's automation in action. Section 2. Steps to start. Now, let's break down exactly how to start your own YouTube automation channel. Step 1. Choose a niche. Your niche determines your audience and income potential. Pick something that's both profitable and sustainable. Use these 3 questions to decide. 1. Are people searching for this topic? 2. Can you create evergreen content about it? 3. Are there monetization opportunities, ads, affiliates, sponsorships? Some of the best beginner-friendly niches include personal finance and side hustles, AI tools and tutorials, productivity and mindset, tech gadgets and reviews, educational. Top 10 inches are facts. Videos use tools like Google Trends, vidIQ, and TubeBuddy to find trending keywords and see what's performing well. Step 2. Research your competitors before you start. Study what's already working. Go to YouTube and search your topic. Look for which videos are getting millions of views, what thumbnails and titles they use, how long their videos are, what kind of tone and style they follow. This gives you a blueprint of what the algorithm already favors. Step 3. Use AI to create your videos. Now comes the fun part, automating content creation. 1. Script writing. Use ChatGPT, Claude, or Jasper to write engaging, educational scripts. Prompt examples. Greater than, write a 1,000-word YouTube script about the top 5 AI tools for business owners. Always edit for clarity, pacing, and your channel's personality. 2. Voiceovers. You can use tools like 11 Labs, Murph.ai, or Lovo.ai to generate natural-sounding AI voiceovers. Choose a voice that fits your channel's tone, calm for educational, energetic for motivational. 3. Visuals and editing. Platforms like Pictory, Runway, Synthesia, or Descript let you combine stock footage, text overlays, and animations automatically. You can also use CapCut or DaVinci Resolve for manual editing if you want more control. 4. Music and sound effects. Use royalty-free sites like Epidemic Sound, Pixabay, or Artlist for background music that matches your video mood. Within a few hours, you can have a professional, faceless video ready to upload. Step 4. Optimize for SEO and clicks. Even the best video won't get views without optimization. Title. Use a strong keyword plus curiosity angle. Example. 10 AI tools making people rich in 2025. Thumbnail. Bright colors, bold text, emotional triggers. Description. Summarize your content and add keywords. Tags. Use both niche and general tags to increase visibility. Chapters. Add timestamps for better engagement. Step 5. Upload consistently. YouTube rewards consistency. Start with 2-3 videos per week, then scale up once you have your system in place. Remember, the algorithm favors watch time and retention, so make sure every second of your video adds value or emotion. Section 3. Monetization. Once your channel is up and running, it's time to turn views into income. There are several ways to monetize an automation channel, and you can combine them for multiple streams of revenue. 1. YouTube ad revenue. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. You'll earn money from ads that play before, during, or after your videos. Channels in high-paying niches, like finance or tech, can earn $10 to $30 per 1,000 views. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products related to your niche and earn commissions on sales. For example, a productivity channel can promote Notion or ClickUp. A finance channel can promote investing apps. A tech channel can promote gadgets or AI tools. Just include your affiliate links in the description and mention them briefly in your video. 3. Sponsorships. Once your channel grows, brands will pay you directly to promote their products. Even faceless channels get sponsorships, as long as they have consistent engagement. 4. Digital products and courses. Create ebooks, templates, or online courses that match your niche. If you're teaching how to make money online, offer a paid course or guide that goes deeper. 5. Multiple channels. Once you've mastered one channel, clone your system. You can easily run 2 to 5 automation channels in different niches using the same workflow and AI tools. More channels equals more income streams. Section 4. Scaling. After you've built momentum, the next step is scaling, turning your YouTube automation project into a real business. Step 1. Automate even more. Once you've found what works, automate the rest. Use templates for video structures and upload schedules. I can generate new scripts and thumbnails at scale. Step 2. Outsource repetitive tasks. Hire freelancers for editing, thumbnail design, and research. Websites like Fiverr or Upwork have skilled editors who can produce content faster and cheaper than doing it yourself. That frees up your time to focus on strategy and analytics. Step 3. Track analytics. Check your YouTube analytics dashboard weekly. Focus on average watch duration, click-through rate, center, retention rate, revenue per thousand views, RPM. Double down on what works. If a topic performs well, make follow-up videos or a series. Step 4. Build a brand. Even though you're faceless, your channel should have a consistent look, tone, and purpose. Use a signature color scheme, intro music, and upload style. This makes viewers recognize your content instantly, even without your face. Step 5. Expand beyond YouTube. Once your system runs smoothly, repurpose your videos into TikToks or short Instagram Reels, blog posts, or newsletters. You'll reach new audiences and multiply your earnings without starting from scratch. 1. Always keep learning. YouTube trends change fast. Stay ahead with analytics and audience feedback. 2. Focus on storytelling. Even faceless videos should make viewers feel something. 3. Reinvest your profits. Upgrade your tools, hire help, or launch more channels. 4. Stay consistent. Most creators quit too early. Stick with it for 6 to 12 months to see exponential growth. 5. Think like a business. Treat your YouTube automation channel as an asset that compounds over time. So there you have it, your complete roadmap to creating a YouTube automation channel in 2025. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need to be on camera. You just need a system and consistency. Start small, stay focused, and watch your channel grow while you sleep. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Smart Money today for more strategies on automated income, AI tools, and online business. Drop a comment below and tell me, what niche are you going to automate first? Thanks for watching, and remember, your next big income stream might just be one upload away.